Hi Scott, it's Leslie here. I thought I'd do a bit of a screen capture myself to try and sort of run you through what's confusing to us. Okay, so we've already talked about the this maximum grade for a quiz. We would ideally like this to be satisfactory or not satisfactory. As you can see here, we've got an accessible category that we've added in, and that was copied from Fiona's screenshot, so thank you very much, Fiona, for that one. Here we have 4 assessment tasks. They're document uploads, and they've got this little 2 here. So I don't know whether that's got anything to do with why we're not generating the total correctly, but you can also see here the accessible total for this category. It's lowest grade total, include empty grades. When I take you to an authenticated students view here, this actually comes up as a satisfactory. So I don't know why that is generating that, number one. Okay, back to here. Okay, so I'll just check the course totals. Scale. NC, and then exclude empty grades. Maybe I should check that one. I'll try that. I've done that a million times. And then I'll do the same here. Edit settings. Okay, show more. So here, when I edit the category name, I don't have the option to exclude empty grades here, but I also have this maximum grade and minimum grade, which I didn't think that was applicable because of the scale value type. But I've got this set to letter as well. So I'm not sure whether this should be just default, which is real. I've had it on this one before. And does the 2 generate from this default here? Not sure. Okay, I'll save changes. Okay, because I've changed that display type, I'm just going to refresh my student view. Oh, okay, there you go. Well, I've fixed that problem. But I've come up against another problem. It's generated an AC when I haven't got a result in for task 4. So this needs to be blank, or I'm not sure whether NC is appropriate, or perhaps not yet competent, because if it's not competent, you can't give a not competent when they haven't even attempted something, I didn't think. Okay, I'll take that back over here. And this is what happens every time. I forget where I'm up to. There's another issue here that I've got. And this is this edit calculation. It's not an issue, but it's just a bit of a discovery. So I've tried to create a calculation so that all those items would be included Okay, so if I was to perhaps, I'm just thinking on the fly here. Add some items. That's a double square bracket. So we'll make this 7. And 8. So we've got 4 tasks. Just going to copy this. I wonder if I'd be on the right track here. Um, 7 and 8. Okay, so my calculation, I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Save. Invalid formula. I don't know why I've got add an extra bracket in there. Because by the looks, it's added some extra brackets down here. Try that. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know how to edit these now. Actually, it looks like there's 4. Wow. I think I'm actually adding them. I'm not sure. Oh, ta-da! Okay. So, let's go back to this one. Refresh. Hopefully, it'll generate nope, NC. I wanted that to be NC. Okay, anyway, that's the train of thought that I'm on. We've got Lynette, who's actually got lots and lots of grade items in one of her examples. See if I can find that. It is organised meetings. Okay, this is a very long screencast. Gradebook. Okay. So you can see Lynette has actually hidden the course totals because it's not generating correctly. So she's basically got satisfactory, unsatisfactory, or outstanding. And these are just learning activities. So to the student, have a quick look. I'll switch role to student. This is the way it looks, which is nice and neat. And this accessible total will come up with a AC or NC. So I think that might be a solution. Okay, that's the end of my screencast.